Well, here's the answer to Jen's question. Here's our oven. So, we bought it 2 weeks ago. That's what started the whole project. It wouldn't fit in our old cabinets. And so, it's going to be so nice. The stovetop is flat. And not those bouncy things. Spike is being ignored.
Spike.
And look at the oven. Show them, take that rack out. If you got tall stuff. It's been sitting in our dining room for 2 weeks. So you can cook something
Tall on one side.
tall on one side.
And two short things on the other.
It's got a
Show 'em the
warmer
hot plate.
zone. Yeah, Jim's got the hot plate on.
Sure.
I'm sure. Boy, you can feel the heat coming off of it. It was instant heat. We'll be burning stuff left and right. And it automatic. Wow, that was cool. More work surface. See if the engineer can figure out how to put it back together. There you go. We like this one because it's got the front hot plates. You can cook small or large pans.
Oh wow, it starts at 350.
And then the back has got a warmer in the middle there. Turn on that night light
You're going to
thing.
hit start. Preheat. Did you see that? Is that cool? Let's zoom in on it. It says preheat. You probably can't read it.
I see pre. Like Christmas all over. Okay, I'll shut it off and start again.